Scared of trading your session now that red folder news is about to release? If so, this video is for you. In 60 seconds, I'm going to break down exactly how to trade when there's red folder news. Let's get straight into the breakdown. First of all, I want to clarify, we are not trading red folder news. When news is released, it tends to give some pretty decent structure and gives us an edge to frame up for a trade. Take a look on screen here. This is a red folder news candle. As you can see here, it's left two wicks. One at the high and one at the low. So now that we understand where the two wicks lie, what would we anticipate to happen? We'd expect a flush to either the high or low, and then for price to seek the other side of liquidity. This happens time and time again, and you can go back test this for yourself. So should we get into a trade breakdown? Let's do it. As you can see here, we've got two wicks on either side of the candle, so we'll wait for one of these to be swept. So as you can see, we've now swept to the high of this data wick. So now I'd anticipate a flush lower to the bottom of the data wick, but we need to go to a lower time frame. So now that I've jumped onto a lower time frame, I've just done a little bit of analysis to make sure that we are on the right side of the market. Partnered with the data wick sweep, I've got a divergence and also respecting this 15-minute gap here. So as you can see, we've now inversed this gap. On top of all the other confluences that I have for the trade, I'm happy to short this. I'll simply target the most recent low. So this is flush straight down to our take profit. So that is the end of this video. What have we learned? We've learned that trading news is not an option, but we can wait for price to gain some structure after sweeping one of the data wicks and frame up for a trade that way. I'd highly recommend you go back test this, and if you're looking for more one-to-one support with your trading, check the link in our bio.